Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing Pakistani beauty tips and tricks with you guys which I've never shared before, and these are things which have been handed down to me and other Pakistani girls from our great grandmas, our aunts and our moms. So they're like really special to us. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my tips and tricks with you guys, as well as a few that you guys actually told me on my Instagram. So before I move into the video, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscription box below so you never miss a video from me, and also hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I do upload. And I'm gonna jump straight into it. So make sure you do watch till the very end, because the last tip is something that prevents us from sweating, and it is absolutely crazy because it will blow your mind, especially all you vegans and clean beauty people out there. You guys are gonna love me for this one, so I'm gonna jump straight into it. The Pakistani girls are known for beautiful eyes, beautiful big eyes, and one thing that we love to do is apply Kajal. I think every other Pakistani girl other than me actually really loves Kajal, and Kajal is basically black eyeliner. But the black eyeliner we use is not your typical MAC eyeliner that I actually use. It's a powdered form of eyeliner, and we get this from the grocery store when we go to the grocery store to go shopping. And generally it's like a coal mixture which is grounded up into a powder, and then they put it in a bottle and then you apply it into your eyes. My mom has been doing it for her whole life, and I used to do it as well until a couple of years ago when I lost my actual bottle of surma. It's actually called surma, and this actually is meant to be really good for your vision. It's meant to make your eyes look really big and pop, and it is better than any eyeliner that you can actually get from Sephora. So it's definitely worth checking out. You can go to your Indian grocery store and actually find most of the things that I'm going to be talking about today. So one thing we do is apply this kajal and surma to our eyes to make our eyes look big and bold and beautiful. So back home in Pakistan, we love to use natural products for our skincare routine, and as you guys know that have been following me for a while, I love to find a DIY that works for any skin type and makes my skin look absolutely amazing. So one thing that Pakistani girls love to do is use a tomato and sugar scrub. So all you need is a slice of tomato, and you just need to put a little bit of sugar on there. This can be used on any part of the body to lighten and brighten the skin. Tomato is also great for acne and oily skin, and it will give you the clearest skin ever. You actually don't need to use anything else. Just use this as a scrub and it will actually get rid of all your dark spots. It will give you even skin tone. And this third thing that Pakistani girls absolutely love is haldi and besan as a cleanser. Haldi is turmeric and besan is chickpea flour, and chickpea flour is used in our cooking a lot, so it's no surprise that we use it all over our bodies to cleanse. Chickpea flour and turmeric is such a powerful mixture. You can actually just mix this two up and put it in a bottle. Keep it dry. I would recommend to keep it dry, and every time you want to use it, just put it in your palm, put a little bit of water, make a paste and use it all over your face or your body. This will give you really clear skin, and it is the best gentle cleanser that you can find. And unless you're removing makeup, this will actually really cleanse the skin extremely well and give you clear spotless skin within a week. I used to do this when I was a teenager. My mom still does it, and even when my skin reacts to all the fancy products that I use nowadays, I actually go back to this remedy and my skin clears up within a couple of days. So one other thing that Pakistani girls are known for is beautiful thick black long hair, and one secret is oil. So oiling is extremely important, and we take it very seriously. Like every weekend my mom used to sit me down and oil my hair, and I do this to my daughter as well. I oil her hair all the time. It's just something like so special to us that we do, and it's been handed down to us. So there's so many oils that we love to use. Mustard oil is one which a lot of us use. Coconut oil is one which a lot of us use. But one mixture that my mom actually taught me is is this really amazing black seed oil. So all you need is some black seeds, and the way to make this oil, because it is an infusion, is to actually crush the black seeds. You can use a mortar and pestle to just crush them up, and then once they're crushed, you put in olive oil, you put in coconut oil, and if you need extra hair growth, you can also put in some castor oil. And we're just going to like mix this all really up in the mortar and pestle. And that's not it. Once you do mix it up, you want to actually leave it to infuse for a couple of days, and after you leave it for a couple of days, it becomes this like black color. And as you guys saw, when I did put my oil in the mortar and pestle, it was completely clear, and now it's become like this dark color. So this is such a powerful oil. It makes our hair thick and long and luscious and gorgeous. And black seeds are so amazing for other skin conditions of your scalp anyways. It will help get rid of dandruff and like black hair, gray hairs, anything like that. So it's definitely one that you guys can try out. So one that was actually recommended to me by my followers on Instagram was orange peel powder. So there were so many people that said they would use orange peel powder in their scrubs and in their facial masks. And all you need to do is you can mix it to any mask that you're using, even the ones that I just shared today. You just add it to anything and it will really brighten the skin. The way to make this is you get orange peel and you let it dry, and then you grind it up, and that's actually it. And I can see why this works because of the high, you know, vitamin C in the orange peel. But the reason I don't have it, because I was actually making orange peel powder for my video, and I burnt the whole thing because I decided to like cook it up in the oven, and then my powder is black, and it's not meant to be black, it's meant to be orange. So orange peel powder is something I used to use a while back, but I actually haven't used it lately, so that's why I didn't have it at home. But that's one thing that you guys can definitely try. If you need a pick-me-up for your skin, definitely peel some oranges and like just leave them to dry for a week or so in the sun, or even if you want to put them in the oven, put them on a low heat. Unlike me, I burnt my entire batch, and it is good to go. I think you can just put the powder in absolutely any mask or facial, and your skin will be like brightened like anything. And last hack is using a natural deodorant. So one thing that is something that, like, I don't know, it blows my mind, is using pit curry. Pit curry is also known as alum, and pit curry is like this stone. So it looks like this stone that you can, it's meant to be used for a lot of different things. So you just wet this stone and you can apply it to cuts and absolutely anything, because it really helps the skin. But one secret that not many people know is when you wet this and you use it on your armpits, it actually gets rid of sweat. And another thing you can do is you can actually put a small piece of this in a little container with water and use it like a spray deodorant. But this is a natural deodorant, which the crystal actually works to prevent the sweat, and it's like chemical free, it's all natural. This is the secret to Pakistani girls not smelling bad, even though we sweat a lot. I don't sweat that much. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I know like we're really hairy and we're really sweaty. So this is a secret that you can definitely incorporate into your routine. And that is it, guys. Those were my Pakistani secrets. The thing is, I actually have way more Pakistani secrets and tips and tricks that I want to share with you guys. But if I started sharing them, this would be like a really long video. So if you want a part 2, please tell me in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now. I love you all. Bye.